Good morning, folks. You're on scene with us in Princeton, New Jersey, off Alexander at the park, Lower Alexander, where they rent the canoes and the kayaks. Don't know if this camera's picking this up, but I'll be damned. Must admit, I don't particularly feel like eating any of these things. Matter of fact, I can't even see them. But they're definitely here. Anyways, this is off Route 1, going toward Princeton and Alexander. It's a DNR park, the Canal. Right on the West Windsor border. It's noisy. Closer to Route 1, right on the West Windsor border. It's noisy if you want to hear them.